Embedded system application in aerospace. Let's know about how the embedded system plays vital role in aerospace engineering. Introduction. In current times, embedded systems are being used for multi-purpose industry like temperature control, speed control, sensor, flight data recorder, etc. Future military and aerospace will need a number of embedded systems for complex functionality. Application of embedded system in aerospace. Embedded systems have multiple functionalities in the aerospace industry as of today. The most prominent application of embedded system in aerospace in full flight management are air traffic control. ATC is at top level. The primary goal of embedded system is to prevent collisions that need radar and communication system. Flight control system. Rugged, light and reliable, a cable pulley flight control system transmits the rotation of the yoke to rudder, elevator and ailerons. Rotating control wheel in clockwise direction causes left ailerons to move down and right ailerons to move up and vice versa. Pushing the left pedal forward causes the rudder to move to your left. Pushing the right pedal forward causes the rudder to move to your right. Avionics. Application of embedded system in aerospace include using avionics, which are electronic systems having multiple functionalities and are used in aircraft, satellite and spacecraft. This avionics system control the communication, management and display of hundreds of systems that are present in the aircraft to perform their individual functions. Their complexity vary and this can range between as simple as a searchlight for police chopper to a tactical control system for early warning platform. Communication system. Communication system allows the flight crew to communicate with ground staff and other aircraft. Communication system also allows to communicate with ground personnel, cabin crew, passengers. The aircraft is equipped with several communication systems which includes the radio communication, intercommunication system, cockpit voice recorder, emergency locator transmitter, aircraft communication addressing and reporting system. Radio communication. The HF and HF radios are installed in aircraft to provide communication to air traffic control and for air-to-air communication. Intercommunication. Intercommunication system allows the flight deck crew to selectively communicate among the flight deck crew with ground personnel and cabin crew. Cockpit voice recorder. CVR is designed to record the environment in flight deck of an aircraft and is located in the after section of the aircraft. ACARS. ACARS is a communication system that provides data link between aircraft and ground-based communication network. We saw a lot of application of embedded system in aerospace. As we move ahead in technology, more and more developments are made in order to make flight more safe and accurate for the passenger. Thank you.